my name is Vuetify, and in this video I will tell you how you can easily solve the ESlint errors in VueJs. Here you can see it gives me 3 errors: string must be single quote, trailing space not allowed, unexpected required. In first step, you can easily solve the first 2 errors. Just press Ctrl Shift P and write this text. Ctrl Shift P and write this text: fix ESlint, fix all auto-fixable problem. This text I will write in description, and you can easily paste from copy and paste here. Here you can see it solved the above 2 errors. Now in order to solve this error you have to press the cursor on require and press control dot and select the first option, disable global required for this line. Here you can see it also solved this error. Now after saving this, it will run smoothly. Here you can see. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for further informative videos. Thank you.